Hi, this is Ryan Holleen. Today's video is the Lewit. The Lewit is a core breathing exercise, and it's also something that we commonly use with people who are having thoracolumbar pain. So if you present to our office and you're having pain in this region over your spine, so this is your thoracic spine, this is the lumbar. If you're having pain in the mid to lower back, right over your spine, we'll typically follow up with some tests. And so usually it's very common that these people present with what we would call a thoracolumbar hinge, and this creates a little bit of painful instability in that region, and the Lewit is one of our go-to stabilization exercises for this issue. Before I go into the setup, I'm going to talk about the neutral spine, ever important neutral spine. This nice inward curve you have in the low back, you don't want to maintain that. You don't want to flatten the low back or press the low back against the floor during this exercise. Here's the setup. You're going to have your hands flat at your sides, palms flat, palms down, flat at your sides, and hips at 90, knees at 90. What you're going to do from here is you're just going to kind of teeter back and forth on your sacrum, rocking your legs back and forth like this, and you're just going to think about the low back and find a comfortable position for the pelvis and the lumbar spine. So right about here is good for me. Next, all you're gonna do is take 4 or 5 deep breaths, and that's pretty much the exercise. You're gonna breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth, through pursed lips. At the very end of your exhalation, you're going to expel any remaining air in your lungs forcefully through pursed lips. So we'll do 2 cycles in real time. So that's 2 cycles. 4 or 5 cycles is pretty much the exercise. Also, another important thing is you don't want to, when you're doing this exercise, you don't want to flare the rib cage. I don't want to see chest breathing or rib cage flaring. Keep the rib cage down throughout this exercise. So again, it just looks like this. So deep belly breathing only. The Lewit, great exercise. It's a lot more challenging than it looks. Give it a try. Thanks.